Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is another episode of Meal Prepping with me. So this one is more of like a relaxed one because I didn't really cook besides broccoli. So it's super simple, super easy to do, a lot of cutting and things like that, but it does prepare you to cook faster throughout the week, or you can eat things raw. If you guys hear my dog, he wants to go outside. Now I have to take him for a walk and clean up the dishes, and that's it. So if you guys are interested in what I meal prepped this time, then keep on watching. As always, if you guys like these types of videos, please give it a big thumbs up. Lets me know that you guys want to see more of these, and as always, you guys can subscribe to my channel. It's free, and hit the little bell notification as well just to be notified when I upload. You don't want to miss out. Let's get to it. First, I'm starting off with some breakfast. These are my frozen oatmeal cupcakes, and I put 2 in one container and add some milk. I add the milk just so it's easier to heat up later on. Once I prepped my oatmeal, I do like to prep some toppings for it, and it's normally blueberries and strawberries. I like to do berries in general because they have the most antioxidants as fruits, so I think it's a great option. Then on top of that, I add some homemade granola. If you guys want a recipe on this, I do have a video, so you can go check that out as well. Now time to get some veggies ready. These are just some baby carrots. You don't have to do anything besides put them in a container. Then I like red pepper. I like to eat this raw as well as cook it. And as you guys can see too, Ali likes to eat it as well. Taking some zucchini from my garden, I'm going to cut this up as well. I love to just cook these veggies for dinner with a bowl of rice or potatoes, anything really, and of course feeding Ali as well. He literally knows when I'm cutting up the veggies he likes. It's so weird. And now onto cucumber. This is also from my garden, and he loves cucumber as well. What a big surprise. But chop these babies up, and they're great to put into salad. Now that they're all cut up and prepped, it's just so much easier throughout the week. Then I'm just adding some washed mushrooms into a container, great for avocado toast. And then taking some spinach and putting it into this container. I feel like it keeps my salad so much more fresh. And I'm doing the same thing to kale. Make sure when you're doing the kale, you are getting rid of the little stems because sometimes it can make your kale taste bitter. Time to cook some broccoli. This is literally John's favorite vegetable, pretty much the only vegetable he eats, so I do make it weekly. This is actually the only thing I'm cooking during this meal prep video, but it's just a staple in our meal prepping. I'm personally obsessed with watermelon. It's my favorite fruit, and now that it's in season, I make sure to have some slices cut up so I can just munch on them whenever I want to. So time to make some cashew cream. I'm adding 1 cup of cashews here, and then little by little adding some water to create a nice paste. You don't want it to be too liquidy, so just add little by little. Now time for seasoning. I am adding dill and some tarragon leaves. I'm also adding in some garlic powder as well as some Himalayan sea salt. And the last ingredient is some Dijon mustard, just adding a few squirts here and there, and make sure to mix it all up. It's great on salad as well as dipping in your veggies. Lastly, it's time for bean salad. You can either use canned beans, but make sure to rinse them. I'm using black beans and red kidney beans. You can also cook them from scratch, which sometimes I do, but this time it's a lazy meal prep, so canned goods it is, and that's totally fine as well. I'm adding some tomatoes here. These are Roma tomatoes. You can also choose beefsteak tomatoes or grape tomatoes. It doesn't really matter. I'm going to be adding 1 teaspoon of cumin, and then I'm also going to be adding a half a teaspoon of chili powder. I'm also going to add some garlic powder to taste. I don't really measure this out. And then some white wine vinegar. This is 1/4 of a cup, as well as some olive oil, 1/4 a cup as well. Lastly, I'm going to be adding a half a lime, so make sure to squeeze out all that juice. Mix it well, and then for the last ingredient, just add some corn to the mixture. Mix again, and then you are all done. I like to put it in a container, which is easy to grab from. John loves this stuff, and it pretty much is gone in like 2 days.
Everyone meet Ali, my little booger, who eats all of the zucchini in the video. He loves to eat raw zucchini as well as cucumber. He's like a really healthy, weird dog. Right, Ali? Do you like food? I know. Yes, you do. Mwah. He's the best. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that was fun to watch, as well as you took some tips with you. If you guys try it out, let me know down below, or let me know on my Instagram if you guys even find these videos helpful, alright? Take care. See you soon. Bye.